One of the items that I read about in your cookbook was this Lola burger, and I cannot wait. You tell me what to do. We've got our cheese
All right, we have
up
the
here.
cheese. We grounded the meat coarsely. I don't like a fine ground burger.
Right.
So this is a mix of, it has chuck, sirloin, and brisket. So we have about 25% fat.
All right, now what are these eggs for? Are we gonna fry those eggs?
We're
and
gonna
put 'em
fry
down?
the eggs on top of the burger.
I adore a fried egg on my burger.
Me too. So, and I don't pack them too tight. I keep them kind of
'cause
loose.
you need that air in there.
Yep. Here, we'll see. I season them pretty liberally.
Yes.
With salt. Whoop. Give me the flip. I'll season yours.
Thank you.
Give me the flip. All right.
Yes.
And then a little bit of cracked black pepper.
Yes.
Now, they just go down and
Just put it on the grill. Yes.
Perfect. And then we're gonna cook these to how we like. We're gonna each have a burger, so let's crack two of these eggs.
Okay.
You ready? You wanna
Yes,
take
I'm
one?
ready.
I'll take one.
Yes, I'm gonna just do mine in here first to make sure it's all right.
And we'll put a little bit of perfect salt on the
Okay.
eggs.
And is this a cheddar?
Cheddar, an aged cheddar. And please let your cheese melt once you put it on the burger.
Yes. You know, I was reading a lot of your tips in your book, and you and I think a lot alike, Michael. Does that scare you?
It takes more than that to scare me. Now, if I wake up with a southern accent, that would scare me. But I'd like to wake up with your hair. That would be very exciting.
Goodness. Well, listen, I got a spare wig in my closet. You like my hair.
I love your hair.
So got you fixed.
I'm wearing it. I haven't had hair for 20 years. This is going to be so exciting.
Well, honey, you fix to have plenty of hair. We're going to look like twins.
All right.
Perfect.
Got your egg. Grab me a couple English muffins. We're just going to toast them up here.
I love the fact that you use English muffins.
And the nooks and crannies hold all the juices. They're great. Your burger.
Yes.
Your egg.
I want you to fix my burger just like you would at Lola's, okay?
Right. Some of those pickled onions.
Okay.
Put a couple pickles on there for you. I'm gonna put some onions on mine. Mine's gonna run down my chin.
Yes,
pickles.
it is. Oops. Okay,
All
let's
right.
go.
I go with the go big or go home theory.
Oh my gosh. Michael, you bald-headed devil. You.
Aren't they good?
Good is not the word. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.